Hello everyone, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround, where we do the research on all things health, wellness, and nutrition and deliver it to you right here. Let's dive right in. By the end of this video, you will know 10 foods that you should never eat again. Highly processed foods are typically characterized by their high levels of additives, preservatives, refined ingredients, and often lack essential nutrients. While there isn't an exhaustive list of specific highly processed foods, here are some common examples along with the potential negative effects they can have on mental health. Fast food items such as burgers and fries, often high in trans fats, refined carbohydrates, and additives, can contribute to mood swings, fatigue, and increased risk of depression. A Big Mac has 58 grams of fat, 12 grams of saturated fat, and 1.5 grams of trans fat. Foods like candy, pastries, and sugary cereals can lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes, resulting in irritability and mood swings. Many of these are highly processed and may contain some trans fats known to cause heart disease and obesity. Sugary sodas. These beverages are loaded with sugar and caffeine. Excessive consumption can lead to anxiety, sleep disturbances, and mood disturbances, not to mention diabetes. A 12-ounce can of Pepsi has 10 teaspoons of sugar. High in sodium and MSG, or monosodium glutamate, instant noodles can lead to dehydration, headaches, and mood swings. Snack foods with artificial flavors and colors may contain additives that can cause behavioral issues, particularly in children. Microwavable dinners or TV dinners. These often contain high levels of sodium, preservatives, and low-quality ingredients, which can lead to fatigue and mood disturbances. Cheese spreads and artificial cheese food slices may contain artificial ingredients and additives which can negatively affect mood and behavior in some individuals. High in refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats, frozen pizzas can contribute to mood swings and energy crashes. Many canned soups have high sodium content, which can lead to water retention and increased blood pressure, potentially affecting mood. Chips and crackers. These snacks are often high in trans fats and artificial flavors, which can contribute to mood swings and cravings. Sugary cereals can lead to blood sugar imbalances and mood fluctuations. Post makes a kid's cereal with a bear on the front that is 58% sugar by weight. Products like store-bought cakes and cookies are usually loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, which can impact mood and energy levels. Some baked items from grocery stores, like cakes, contain margarine, a known trans fat. Consuming highly processed foods regularly can lead to various physical health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease, which can indirectly affect mental health. To support better mental well-being, it's advisable to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, proteins, and nuts. A balanced diet can positively impact both physical and mental health. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I really do appreciate your kind support. Please leave a comment below and let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.